How to connect your Facebook to mini football. So this is the latest and the easiest version. So if this tutorial does help you, make sure you like and subscribe. If you need any help, make sure you let me know in the comment section. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to scroll all the way up and click on the setting option after your name. Then once you do that, it should bring you to this page right here. Now from here, this is super simple and easy. As you guys can see, I am in game options right now. So you're gonna have to scroll down slowly. Then once you scroll down, you're gonna have to come in this account option right here. And it should be the first option right here where it's at Facebook. It should be before Apple account and Google accounts. So just click on connect to Facebook. Once you do that, you're gonna have to click on continue again. Now from this page, it should take a while to load. Then once it loads, you have two options. You have an option right here where you could log in if you already have a made Facebook account. But if you don't already have an account, you're gonna have to scroll down and click on create new account. Then once you do that, as you guys can see, it said create new account only can be created on phone. So you could either create one or you could either make one. Then once you make one or create you one, just click on done and you should be able to connect your Facebook account to mini football. So if this video did help you, make sure you like, subscribe, and if you need any help, make sure you let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.